Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to delete shared post on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now as an example, I will share a post from here. So here I will share this video. Now you can see that the post has been shared. And now I am going to delete this shared post at once. If you want to delete shared post on Facebook, then go to the profile by clicking on profile picture icon from here. After that, just scroll down. Then here you select a post which you want to delete. So here I will delete this shared post. So here you click on three dots of the selected post. Now you can see that the delete option is not showing here. So don't worry, if you want to delete the post, then here you click on move to trash option. After that, click on move. Then go back to the Facebook homepage. After that, here you click on three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings icon at the top. After that, just scroll down. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Then here you click on activity log. After that, click on trash button from here. Now here you can see the shared post which you have selected to delete. Then here you click on three dots of the post. After that, click on delete. Then again click on delete. Now the shared post has been deleted successfully. So by this process you can delete shared post on Facebook easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.